Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. So that way if you have a secondary email address that you'd like all your emails to go to, you could have them sent there as well. And what you can do, if you want just certain emails sent, you could use the filtering feature and just, have them sent by, let's say, a certain person or a certain subject, or if it has an attachment, then you could set up a custom email forwarding and deleting and sending to folders and that kind of thing. We have a video on that if you want to check that out as well. But anyways, for email forwarding, what you want to do is you want to go to your settings and see all settings, and then forwarding and pop IMAP and click on add a forwarding address. So we're going to send this to his Yahoo email address. Okay, so you type it in, click on next. Okay, and click on proceed. Now it says a confirmation code was sent to his secondary address, so you need to go there and verify it. So let's go over here and refresh. Okay, so now we have this email here saying that Todd at Gmail has requested to automatically forward mail to your email address at todd@yahoo.com. So we have this confirmation link here, so we just got to click on that. And we click on confirm. And then that should be set. So if we go back to here, so we can have it resend the email verification if it didn't show up, and we could also remove it if we don't want to do this. So that should be good. So now if Cindy here sends an email to Todd, hopefully it's not getting too confusing on all these users here. Okay, so we're going to send an email to Todd at Gmail. And let's see if it shows up here. Okay, so Todd got his email from Cindy in his Gmail account, so now let's see if it forwarded to his Yahoo account. So it's not going to be as quick as going Gmail to Gmail, so since it's going Gmail to Yahoo, it might not be instant. Okay, so what you want to do, so if it doesn't show up, you need to go back into your settings, because sometimes you need to actually check the box if it doesn't do it for you. So go back here, go back to the settings, go back to forwarding, and you'll see this was disabled. So I'm not sure why it disables it by default sometimes. So all you got to do is check this option here. So it's going to forward it to Todd Sims at Yahoo, and then you have another option here. You can mark it as read, archive, and delete it. So once it comes into your Gmail inbox, you could just have it sit there as new, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it. So it's up to you what you want to do. And then if you have multiple addresses here, you could use that. So we're going to keep a copy in the inbox. Go down, save and changes. So now let's go back here, and I don't know if it's gonna. You're probably gonna have to resend it here. So let's find out if we refresh. Okay, so let's send a new one here. Okay, let's go back to his Gmail here. Refresh. Okay, so now we got the forward to, and let's go back to the Yahoo and refresh this and see what happens. Okay, so now we have our forwarded email from Cindy. It took a few minutes for it to show up, so it's not, like I said, it's not as instant as sending Gmail to Gmail. So once it goes to Gmail, then it has to forward to Yahoo, and then Yahoo has to do its thing on it. So, all right. So now, if you wanted to disable it, you could go back into your settings here, and you could disable it from there, and then it's not going to be forwarding it anymore. So it's pretty simple to use. So like I said, you could have it just, do different things with the email when it comes into your Gmail box. And if you want to set up customized forwarding for specific email addresses, then check out the filters. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.